This is a short demo of the ultimate reed finishing machine made by Rimpl and sold here in the US by Justin Miller of Miller Marketing. It works using the same mechanics as a key copier or reed profiler with a few important innovations. Unlike a normal tip profiler, it's made to profile the whole blade of the reed from collar to tip. It uses a ball bearing roller to replicate the dimensions of the finished reed more accurately. And it also has a curved blade that more accurately reproduces the contour of a finished reed. The plaque is customized to fit the shape of the individual bassoonist reed, and the template on which the ball rolls imitates the contour of the bassoon reed. The thickness of the cut can be adjusted by turning the adjustment knob here after loosening the set screw. Turn the knob and then retighten the set screw to set in your thickness. It has a ball bearing carriage that's very smooth and requires very little lubrication, and there's a nice comfortable handle on the top for use. The setting of the collar is controlled by this screw right here and by this washer here, so the collar is adjustable. So here's a demonstration of me using the machine. To start off with, you'll need to close the reed tip down. It may need to be more closed than you would normally like it in a playing state. This will help it fit on the template without any air pockets. To start off, place the reed on the mandrel like this. Put it on the rod. Place the reed tip in between. Place the tongue in between the two blades and push the reed on. So you push the reed up to the line so that the tip is right against the line scored in the template. Tighten the set screw. And very important is to press down on the heart of the reed so that any air pockets are taken out. If you don't do this, you may get an extra thin scrape in your heart and ruin the reed. When starting your cut, it's necessary to start on the very corner of the reed first to avoid cutting the corner off. Working in this direction from corner towards center will avoid the blade cutting the corner off. So here's the beginning of the cut. The most effective way to get an even cut is to gradually turn the adjustment wheel with your fingers. Ignore the instruction manual, which tells you to rotate this 180 degrees and then cut. This will result in a corrugated tip with ridges in it. So I prefer to move it very gradually while cutting the reed. So I'm finishing a tip right now. Just gradually turning the wheel and making a cut. As you get to the end of it, you want to go a little farther so you're off the corner and then come back in. Again, you do this so you don't cut the corner off with your blade. Usually 2 passes are enough to finish the reed. And when you're done with one side, simply remove the reed, rotate it on the mandrel, and reinsert the plaque, put it on, set the set screw, And you're ready to do the other side. When you push the reed on, it may be disconcerting to notice how far apart the blades are pushed by the tongue, but don't worry, this is necessary so that the whole surface of the reed contacts the tongue.